Good morning to the Kringle community all over the world, and to as many people that are watching me live all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. And wherever you are, whatever your time zone, good afternoon, good evening to you all. I am Holonolu Hanyede, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the economic developer in the Kringle community and also one of the many voices of TBC around the world. This morning, I will be sharing a reflection on the Kringle Society mission statement. Many people wonder what TBC is all about, what TBC stands for. Now, with the help of this mission statement, you should be able to know where we are coming from, where we are, and where we are going. And for as many who are out there who are still dilly-dallying, who are still procrastinating on either to join us, I urge you, join us. Come on board. Listen attentively as I share the mission statement of the Kringle community and what Kringle community stands for. The Kringle community mission statement. The Kringle Society is a global initiative as a sharing and elementary society founded upon the principle that humanity is capable of lifting itself out of the morals of poverty, disease, lack, limitation, suffering, and ignorance into a new dawn of abundance and prosperity for all. We are here to empower each of our members with the means to spread abundance in all its forms to the entire community of humanity with a clear plan to eliminate poverty worldwide and to assist each and every being that we touch to find their unique purpose that their creator intended for them. The Kringle Sharing and Elementary Society is here to support all of its members and all humanity by providing the means and method to have the support and practical tools so that every member of our society and every human being shall have what they need to make manifest their essential needs to create lives of abundance and integrity. Kringle is a sharing society that has established and we continue to build a private contract association in which men, women, and children of their own free will and volition choose to enter into a private contract relationship with our free association membership. The association is based on the principle of mutual benefit and the interactive sharing of knowledge, ideas, and creativity through the use of our private medium of exchange known as the billion coin, henceforth TBC, and its smaller increment known as the Kringle. Ongoing support through education and the creation of a private social media platform will support this system. Our mission is to serve one another with love and respect and to use TBC and Kringle to lift humanity out of hunger, poverty, and mystery. It is our intention that our veils of ignorance fall from each that we touch. We intend that all our members will embrace and have a life full of abundance and prosperity as they accept our offer of membership within the Kringle Society and Private Contract Association. Within the private environs of our society, our members can enjoy all benefits of using a complete private medium of exchange that respect the privacy of all who use it. It is within our power to bring in purveyors of good and services of all kinds from every location of the earth that accept TBC and Kringle for equal value exchange for their goods and services. We intend that TBC and Kringle shall one day reach their full potential when our community grows to 1 billion verified members. When this occurs, it will unlock the ultimate value of TBC. This ultimate value will reflect the value of 1 billion members of our private contract associations. And in so doing, we shall realize our vision and goal that the measure of real value in this world shall be true worth of every living being men, women, and children, who are the true creative potential of humanity in individual embodiments. We hold this as a true mandate and a self worth truth. It is an endowment from our Creator. However, any individual chooses to define or describe such a creative source, that endowed mandate is that we shall all live freely in creative collaboration with each other and with this beautiful planet we dwell upon. Hmm. This shall also include living in harmony with the larger universal community of life throughout the cosmos. Our mission is good. Our mission is great. It is up to each and every one of us to fulfill it with the realization of this gift of life. The Kringle Society has brought forward a unique contribution as a gift to humanity in the fulfillment and realization of that vision. Our vision sees a world free of limitation, and our mission is to be part of the solution that makes it so. This shall be a world in which every child grow up in a community of support, love, respect, and integrity, and has the opportunity that every child in this world should have, which is to have all the tools and resources needed to realize their fullest capacity and build a life that each of us would desire for ourselves and our own children. As a sharing society, Kringle is established as a community intended to share the wealth of our lives with each other. This means the personal human lives of a living being, not being monetized, not the monetized debt enslavement matrix that we have been programmed to believe is real wealth. That is an illusion. It's a trap. The Kringle Society has been established with a vision, mission, and purpose to break through that illusion and show the world and the humanity how we can free ourselves from the trap. Thus, we have created a currency to flow like the free waters of a mighty river, a river of power and of force, a river of living beings that come together to see poverty, disease, and deprivation forever washed away by such waters and carried to the sea of forgiveness and dissolution, so that all men, women, and children in this world shall live lives of value, lives of purpose, and lives of meaning. We will share with each other the wealth of our life force, the value of our unique capacities to create and build and purify, and we will do it by valuing our currency with the matrix of the only real value there in this world, which is life. Hmm. Life means living in full expression by supporting each member of our private society and contract association to achieve their dreams and aspiration. It is our mission to take the realization of this intention into greater world society and show others the way of freedom and prosperity without debt, bondage, lack, or limitation. As an almost free society, we see our mission as one that brings charitable support to those who need a helping hand in building lives of integrity and respect. This means creative sharing and support, not charity that degrades the individual and diminishes self-worth. This is our mission, and this is the ideal that we shall strive for until it is fulfilled. We envision a world free of constraint where the very stars are our partners and represent unlimited capacities as to what we can accomplish in this lifetime and for many generations and lifetimes to come. We are a multi generational legacy trust, the true beneficiaries of which our children of the future, those that are just now coming into life and those yet to be born. Element 3 is a word defined by its roots as alms giving, which in the past meant to give a few coins to the poor and destitute. But we see that alm is the root of alma, which is Latin for soul or spirit. Hmm. So Our charitable giving is of the soul and spirit of this mission, society, and its true purpose, which is to bequeath the spirit of unlimited possibilities to the future generations that shall inherit this spirit and become the soul this world. We invite all who share this vision to join us in building the true value based basis of the billion coin TBC to add your life force to the valuation of 1 billion coins supported by 1 billion living souls as a gift for humanity to break free from the chains of debt, enslavement, and the illusions of lack and limitation to make TBC what it truly is meant to be, the brilliant community of the Kringle Society and of planet Earth to elevate the brilliance of 1 billion stars and forever banish the darkness from our world. This is a publication in the TBC blog dated 12/10/2018. Guys, this is the mission statement of TBC. You can see that all that has been happening in the community are within the mission statement. All this has been stated from the inception of the community. We are a community of love and respect. We are a community that believes in the birthright of humanity that God the Creator has given to every mankind to live freely, to have abundance on earth to live. So, guys, come on board. Join us. You can read through and go through this broadcast again to refresh your memory to know more about this thing. And guys, don't forget, if you are here to join, you are still dilly-dallying, you are still procrastinating, it's time for you to come on board. There's a link below this video. Click on that link to subscribe and to register to be part of this community. And also you can join our Telegram group where we share, we discuss, and we'll enlighten ourselves on what TBC is all about, and all problems that you have shall be solved. Don't also forget, press that thumb up by your left hand side and give a thumb up to this broadcast, and also that bell. Subscribe so that you always have a first-hand notification whenever I upload or I post any video. Thank you very much. We are with you. TBC is our birthright. So come and claim your birthright. Come and claim your birthright. Come and claim your birthright. Thank you. We love you all. Bless you for now.